Welcome to the Code with Reza channel. My name is Reza and I'm here to teach you Python. Today I want to talk about entry components. Entry is a tkinter widget that is used to create an input field where the user can enter a single line of text and is available in the ttk module. So let's do it. Okay. From tkinter import star from tkinter import tk, the minimum, which is root. This line is to create the main window, and root dot main loop. To create an entry, we need to say entry equals ttk entry and pass a root. This is to create a new text input field and add it to the root window. And we need to say entry.pack, place it on the window. When we call the pack, it calls the pack layout manager to put it on the window, place it on the window. Let's have a look at this. This is our input field. We can type inside. We can change the width of this. For example, we can say, we can config it. Enter entry.config width 50. Let's run it. Much bigger now. The width is 50 now. Let's insert some value in it. Entry dot insert from the position of 0, which is the beginning, insert this line. I am fire. I am death. We are inserting this line at this index. Let's have a look. Here, I am fire, I am death. Now we can read what is in the input field and print it here down in the console. So we can say print entry.get. You get here the value in the text field input is now down in the console. So in this case, we can read what user enters into the field. We can read it using entry.get. Now let's delete one character from this box. Entry dot delete from the index of 0, delete one character. So look, I is missing here. I am fire. I is missing because from the first position, 0 position, we removed one character. Now delete all the line. Entry dot delete is very interesting. We can pass delete from 0 to the end. And what is the end? That's interesting. What is the end? The end is end. This shows the end of the line. So this line removes everything in the box. The box is empty. Now when we type inside the box, you can see what I'm typing here. What if we want to use it as a password field? In that case, we don't want the user to see what we are entering. We want to see a star inside instead. So let's do that. saying entry config. What do you want to show instead? We want to show star, for example. And let's see what happens. When I enter inside this, it all shows stars. It's good for password boxes. Now let's disable. The state disable is always with the state, not config. Disable entry.state disabled. I can't enter anything inside this one. And to make it enabled again, entry.state not disabled. I can enter inside again. And for making it read only, dot state read only. The difference between disable and read only is in the disable you cannot highlight and copy, but in read only, if there is a text, you can highlight the text and copy it. That's all for today. In the next video, I will show you how to create a combo box. Thank you for watching and see you later.